lovely people. How are you? Make sure you comment down below how your day is going. Mine's doing great. I just got done unboxing a new subscription to our channel, which I love. I will leave that video down below, but I also have Battle of the Boxes. So what I do sometimes is I put a few subscription boxes that are the same price, open them up and see which one is more worth the money. So this month for August 2019, we have the Macy's Beauty Box, which is $15 a month, and we have the Allure Beauty Box, which is $15 a month. And I'm like, they both came in, so why not do Battle of the Boxes? Because I love these two. So let's see which is better for the August 2019. All right, so let's open up the Allure. So like I said, these are both the August boxes. And let's open her up and see what is supposed to be in here. Now, I haven't watched anybody's unboxings for this, and I haven't even really looked at the spoilers. So I have no idea what is supposed to be in this month's box. All right, I think I told you that both of them are $15 a month, and you do pay for tax. All right, so that's what it looks like. So you always get like a little pamphlet that tells you what everything is and also gives you prices, which is good. All right, so just a box. All right, so that's what it looks like. So this month it is green. Last month was beautiful. I think that was with the Huda collab, and it was like a hot pinkish color. It was so pretty. But this is pretty too. This is green. All right, so I'm going to take out the first thing that I see, and this is by Benefit. This is the Real Mascara. I believe I tried this before. I tried a sample, not a full size. Let's see. So full size would be $25. So let's see. That's what it looks like. Now, I'm not going to open this up to show you the wand because I have a few mascaras already open. So I'll wait until, you know, I get a little low to open that up. Because you typically shouldn't, once it's open, in about 3 months, you should throw it away. All right, so the next thing we got is this water cream by Primera. I don't know, Alpine Berry Water Cream. And I love water creams. All right, let's see where you are. All right, so full size would be $40. And you could buy this at Sephora.com, it says. All right, let's see how big this is. Holy crap, this is small. First of all, look at this. You see? They like trick you, so you hardly get nothing. It is filled, but there's like nothing in here. Oh, that has a nice, like, fresh smell. All right, let's just see exactly what this is. This is Korea is known for the hotbed of beauty. Okay, yes, not as much as a liter. Okay, but what are you? Are you... This moisturizer is a... Okay, so it's a moisturizer. I wasn't sure if this is an eye cream, because with eye creams, you typically only need a little bit, but this is like one use, you know? All right, so let's move on. The next thing we got is this Essential Lip Color. Oh, so this is from Cargo Cosmetics. And we get a lot of times Cargo like blushes and different things in our box. All right, so this full size would be $22. All right, let's see, what shade? What shade? Peach? No, Palm Beach is the shade. All right. So let's see. I'm just gonna rip the box open. I always have problems opening up boxes. Like I always tear them open. All right, so that's what it is. So this looks like it's full size. Oh, that's a really pretty color. That's gorgeous. I like that a lot. I was expecting to be more peachy, but I like it. All right, so when you swatch, it's like a peachy red. That is so pretty. I like that a lot. And I like it that it's like a satin, like a velvet. So, all right, I'm happy for that. And $22, so there you go. All right, so then we have this makeup eraser. I've got this a lot, like all last month. So I'm not gonna open this. I'm gonna put this in a future giveaway because I have like 3 or 4 of these things. So full size would be $12. And this is the mini one in black. All right, so there we go. So this is just where you would, you know, take your makeup off with this, and then you can put it in the washer or hand wash or whatever and reuse it. All right. The next thing we got is this multitask eye serum mask. All right, I like that a lot. I love anything to do with the eyes. So let's see. Where you be? All right. So the price would be $35. Of course, not for one. How many comes in here? Let's see if it says. I'm not sure because this one little thing can't be $35. So, all right, but at least we have that to try, which is good. All right, we have two more things. There's a lot of things in this month. So we have this ALLURE Cosmetics. This is Liquid Beam. So this is a liquid highlighter, which we tend to get a lot of these in the summer as well. All right. Oh, that's pretty. That is really pretty. Is this an eyeshadow? Let me see what it is. All right, so this is full size and it's $22. And it is in the shade Topaz. It says this glittering liquid bronze eyeshadow. Ooh, has a glossy wet finish. Okay, so it is an eyeshadow. All right, I love these things. I typically use these, like I already have like an eyeshadow on, and then I'll put this on top. Because this is very, very sheer. So you'll definitely have to wear it over top of an eyeshadow. I don't know if you can even see that because of my lights. But it's pretty. Very sheer. Let's see if it's buildable. Yeah. You definitely couldn't wear this like just to put it on your eyes. Alright. So I am excited to try this. Alright. The last thing we got. Okay. So this is an eye cream. Triple Action Eye Cream from Noria. So full size would be $20. Open her up and see. All right, so this is almost filled to the top. Is it? Let me see. Let me look at my light. It's about filled up to here. And an eye cream, you only need, you know, just a little bit. So that's good. So this is only $15, guys. So let's recap what we got in the Allure box this month. So we got this eye cream, this is really a decent sized sample to try it out. We got the Cargo Cosmetics lipstick right there, which is really, really pretty. We have a mini makeup eraser. We have the Real from Benefit, the mascara. We have an eye thingy-majiggy. And then we have the ALLURE eyeshadow right there. You could also probably put it as a highlighter too if you want. And then we have the water cream. This is a tiny, tiny sample. All right, so let's move everything out of the way. All right, so now that was the Allure. So let's look at our Macy's and see which one is better. So again, this is $15. And what did I just do with that cutter? I am always losing it. Okay, here we go. All right, so let's cut this open. Again, I haven't watched anybody's boxes. I tend to not watch boxes until like I open mine up. Alright. So when you open it up, it looks just like that. Alright. So here again, you always get a little pamphlet that tells you what everything is. It tells you what the full size products would be. And then you always get either a $5 or $10 off. Now, this is good because, so you pay $15, you use the $5 off, you really paid $10. And there's quite a few months that you get a $10 off, so that's good. And I love the fact that these come in bags. And the bags are actually really nice. This says hashtag Macy's Beauty. These bags are actually better than the Ipsy bags. They really are. And then it always comes up, you know, in the hot pink wrapping paper. All right, so let's open her up and see what we got this month. Oh, I am seeing something right off the bat. This is Badescu. I love these. I really do. These used to be my favorite. Now my favorite is the Gerard Slay All Day. If you use my code JustAnn in all caps, you get 30% off on Gerard Cosmetics. But I love this. So this is the green tea. This is the aloe, cucumber, and green tea. This is the mini one. I believe these are $5. And then you have like a bigger size. Oh my God, that smells so good. It's like, it smells like cucumber, and I can smell the green tea. I love it. All right, let's see what the full size would be. All right. This is the 2 ounce. Does it say? All right, the 8 ounce is $12, but this is a 2 ounce. So, and this is a lot. This will last you a while. I am so happy they put this in here. Let me tell you what I use this for, what I typically do. Because I'm in my 40s, so when I go in after my powders and everything, then I'll spray this on and take my damp beauty blender or sponge, and I kind of like push it in, so that way all the powders kind of like go in my skin and I don't look cakey or anything, you know. So that's why I like these. All right, the next thing we got is from Tarte. This is the Tardis Lip Paint. And what shade are you? Holy crap, I can't tell. Let's see if it says on there. That's a pretty color. It's like a nude color. All right, where you be? So full size would be $20. Okay, so this is in the shade Rose. All right, let's open her up. Let me take a little swatch. Oh, that's so pretty. Right there. All right, so we have that. I do like these. Then we have, oh, this is pretty. This is Urban Decay. This is full size, 24/7 eyeliner. That is good. So this would be, okay, so this is in the shade Chaos, and this is $22. That is so pretty. Let me do I love Urban Decay eyeliner. So we have it here. Let me tell you what I usually do. Even with this eye look here, I'll go in my waterline and I'll use blue or green. I can have like an orange eye look, and I'll go in with the blue in my waterline. You don't always have to match up, and it really brings my eye color out, especially if you have blue eyes. So I love wearing colorful colors in my waterline. So I am so excited to get this in its full size. All right, I mean, both boxes are amazing this month. All right, so then we have this. Oh, that's cute. This has to be like a K-Beauty brand, because in a lot of my skincare subscriptions, my K-Beauty, you always get stuff like this. The packaging is so adorable. All right, so this is, yep, Tony Moly. So this is a mini cherry lip balm. So yeah, their packaging is always so nice. All right, so it has tape on it. So let's take the tape off. All right, come on. All right. Doesn't really have a scent. I thought maybe it would have a cherry scent. So these are one of these hard lip balms, you know, that you would, the warm would kind of make it, you know, smooth. All right, so I'm definitely excited. I love lip balm. I have lip balm everywhere. I have this for my friend Katrina, aka Subbox Lover. We did a box swap, which I'll leave it down below if you haven't checked it out. And this is a pineapple lip balm. I have this one. This came in a K-Beauty. I have, let's see, this is my Bite Beauty. I keep lip balm in almost every room of the house, so I love it. All right, so there's two more things. Then we have from SK2. This is a facial treatment mask, and this brand is like really expensive, so that's good that it's in here. So let's see, for 10 masks is $135. So this is like $10, you know, give or take, just for this one mask. Let's see what it says. It says, behind every great makeup look is even greater skin. That is so true. Prep yours with this sheet mask infused with the brand's moisturizing and nourishing material. Wow. Wear the sheet mask for 5 to 10 minutes or longer to get even more hydration. All right, so I am so excited. I think I'm going to try this tonight. All right, so we got that. And last but not least, you always get some kind of perfume. Sometimes you get two. Sometimes you get it in the men's. Sometimes you get in the women's. So this is from Juicy Couture. This is an, I guess you say, oil. Full size would be 1.7 ounce. It would be $85. Wow. Let's see. spray. Oh, that smells okay. I like that. Is it like something that I'm like, oh my God, I can't live without? No, but I really do like that. You know what I do with these? So let's say I have a bag like this, especially my Ipsy bags. I keep a lot of like samples in a bag like this and zip it up, put it in my pocketbook, because sometimes you could be around somebody that has like body odor or something, and it's like,
oh, you want to smell this? You want to try this?
that's an easy way. It's like when somebody has bad breath. You know, you're like,
You want a piece of gum?
and hoping that they would say yeah. Oh, now that I'm really smelling it, I kind of actually like it even more. Oh, I do like that a lot. All right, so let's recap what we got in our Macy's. So we have this little sample, which you get every month. I don't really count this as anything because you can get these for free. We have this Tardis Lip Paint in the shade Rose, which is beautiful. We have the full-size 24/7 eyeliner in this blue color. Oh my God, this is gorgeous. We have this, which is the Badescu spray. What else? What else? What else? We got the Cherry Lip Balm, which is right here. And is that it? Yeah, I think that's it. So I think both boxes were great for $15. You can't beat that. Comment down below, which one do you think is better this month? Did you think the Allure one or the Macy's one? Let me know, because I can't pick. I think they're both good. I really think they're worth $15. These are like one of my top subscription boxes that I don't think I would cancel. I really enjoy that. And Ipsy as well for $10. You can't beat that either. All right, guys, that's everything. I love you guys so much, which you guys already know that. Please rate this video. Give me a like if you like it. Dislike it if you don't. Like the video if you like these Battle of the Boxes. So if I get a lot of likes, I know that you guys like that. Make sure that you subscribe and turn that post notification bell on so that you'll be notified every time I upload a video, because YouTube doesn't always do that. And also my future giveaways, which will be any day now. And yeah, that's everything, guys. Yeah, I don't have anything else to say. I lost my whole train of thought. All right, guys, I will see you in my next video. Bye.